Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully troubleshoot internet connectivity problems you're having on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start button and go ahead and select Settings. Select System on the left side. And now on the right side, you want to go down and select Troubleshoot. Go ahead and left click on that. And then select Other Troubleshooters. Underneath Most Frequent, select Internet Connections and then select Run. And then you can try and troubleshoot your connection to the internet. So let's go ahead and just do a sample one that it recommends here. And if you were having a problem, hopefully be able to resolve it. It is doing things in the background here that you're not seeing, but hopefully that would have been able to resolve the problem. If you're still having an issue, you can go ahead and select the network and internet option on the left side. You can also search for it too in the search menu. And you want to select Advanced Network Settings. Go ahead and left click on that. And then select Network Reset. Reset all network adapters to factory settings. You can open this up too through the search menu. So go ahead and click on that. So this will remove and reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi code nearby if you're using a Wi-Fi connection, because you will need to enter it back in once your computer restarts if you want to gain access back to the internet. So go ahead and select Reset Now. Are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Select Yes. And now at this point, just save and close out of any open programs and applications and go ahead and restart the system. And there you go, guys. Attempt to connect back to the internet and hopefully your problem should have been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.